Now that we've had the opportunity to see the flipped classroom in action, let's talk about some of the assessments that we'll use to determine the success of our students and of the overall instructional design process. So for our students, first thing first, we will do a simple observation to check for understanding of their not working knowledge in dribbling in place, dribbling on the move, the chest pass, and the bounce pass. And that's a simple pass-fail system for us as instructors to be able to roll around the classroom and make sure that the students have gained and retained the information. The other and most important, probably when we're looking at the success of the instructional design plan, would be looking at grades from the previous basketball unit where we did not implement the flipped classroom to now where we have implemented the flipped classroom. The main focus of this project for me was to increase activity, student engagement, and student achievement. So by looking at their previous grades and comparing that to where their participation grades are now after utilizing the flipped classroom, I think will tell a large part of the story in whether we were successful in carrying out this instructional design plan. My biggest takeaway from this whole process is just the deep dive that I've been able to do through various lessons and units. I think that the instructional design plan provides guidelines, but what I liked was being able to map things out and really review it as I go along and make adjustments. So this is something that I plan to utilize in various lessons for phys ed going forward. I'm excited to continue to develop this basketball unit heading into the new school year, and it's one of the things that I'm looking forward to teaching the most, just because I've put in a lot of work on it this summer. So hopefully everybody enjoyed this process as much as I have. Looking forward to checking out all of your projects.